Hello, Tiger Nation. Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for August the 17th, Monday morning, Tiger Talk, just to go over some information about what's going on here at the high school and moving forward for the next couple weeks. So I know we released some information last week about school starting next Tuesday, August 25th, and we will be going on, we will be meeting the governor's recommendation and going remote learning. So you will notice that Breckenridge County has used the term remote learning. And the reason we've done that because we did talk about virtual learning, and that was through a program called Plato here at the high school. It's a correspondence program. It's a great program, but it's not really what we would recommend for continuing our learning here at the high school. So we will be using the terminology remote learning, and remote learning will involve every student having all 7 of their teachers creating a Google Classroom, and every day there will be assignments, lectures, and readings and other things like that the teacher will be assigning through their Google Classroom. So it'll be very important for our students to check their emails and communicate through their Google Classroom in order to do that and stay on top of their learning. This week right here is going to be a very important week because we are going to have informational meetings for all of our students and have them the opportunity to come here and ask questions and hear what the plan is for the next 6 weeks. Unfortunately, these will be student-only meetings, so we can meet CDC regulations on group sizes. I do hate that because students' education is a team effort of the parents, students, and the school. So I do hate that we're not going to be able to have the parents in here. I promise you we will be releasing some videos this week that will go over all the information for the next 6 weeks and our reopening plan after 6 weeks. So kind of going through here real quick and getting everybody up to speed. Today is a big day for our freshman class. All 9th graders will be having our open house here tonight for freshmen. Again, that is student only. Parents, you will be able to sit out in the parking lot, wait for your student. It should last about 25 to 30 minutes. We're going to go over some information, and then we will give the students the opportunity to ask some questions so they're comfortable about what to do for the next 5 to 6 weeks. We will also be releasing a video some point today for our parents of freshmen. That way you can have your child bring some questions to us tonight if they do. First 6 weeks will be important. As the first 5 of those weeks, the students will be receiving an education through remote learning, and that'll be on Google Classroom. It'll be very important that your child checks their emails daily, and even start that now because a lot of our teachers have started their Google Classrooms and have sent those invites through through their email. So be sure you do that. All of our teachers will have office hours during the next 6 weeks. And those will be posted on our website, on the faculty and staff link on our website. You'll be able to see the office hours for each teacher. Now that office hour means they are available through Google Meet, which means that students will be able to communicate via virtually right here on a computer. Now our teachers are available 8 through 3 o'clock every day, so 8 to 11, and then 11 to 12 they'll be on their lunch, and then 12 to 3 back in their office. So you can contact them via email or by contacting here at the high school at 270-756-3080. Again, the next 6 weeks will be virtually. So our plan for that is to go 5 weeks on the remote learning, and that 6th week, the week of September the 28th, we will be back here in person on an A-B schedule for that week before fall break, just to get everybody familiar with the school and how we will proceed when we get back on October the 12th. So that is the plan right now. October 12th, we will be coming back 5 days a week, all students. So we look forward to that. Please realize that during this is all new for everybody, so there will be help during our remote learning. Do not hesitate to contact the school any day if you feel like you're having any issues or problems with our remote learning. A little update on our sports. KHAA will be releasing some information this Thursday on the 20th. As of right now, sports here at the high school will start back on the 24th, and that will be that'll be kind of the game plan. It'll be a slow week on that, as we're only limited to 7 hours of practice, and then we'll go full practice the week of September the 7th. Of August the 31st, and then seasons will start September the 7th, the week of that. So that concludes this morning's Tiger Talk. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.